Your success in life isn't determined only by what you know. It's determined by how well you communicate what you know. The person with the best ideas doesn't always win. The person who communicates them clearly often does. Communication affects your career, relationships, confidence, leadership, and influence. And the good news? Great communicators aren't born, they're built. In this video, you'll learn the 7 most important communication skills that can instantly make you more effective in every conversation. Let's begin. 1. Listen to understand. Most people don't listen. They wait for their turn to speak. While someone else is talking, they're already thinking about what they'll say next. Great communicators do the exact opposite. They focus 100% on understanding. Example, if a friend says, "I'm stressed about my exams," don't jump straight to advice. First ask, what's stressing you out the most? People feel connected when they feel truly understood, and understanding starts with listening. 2. Keep your message simple. A common mistake is overcomplicating everything. Smart communicators make complex ideas simple, not because they know less, but because they understand more. Example, instead of explaining fitness with terms like progressive overload, caloric control, and muscular adaptation, you can simply say, get stronger, eat properly, and stay consistent. The clearer your message, the stronger its impact. 3. Pay attention to body language. Communication isn't just words, and it depends on your posture, eye contact, facial expressions, and tone of voice. All of these communicate something. Example, someone says, "I'm confident enough," looking at the floor with slouched shoulders. The words say one thing, the body says another. People trust what they see more than what they hear. Make sure your body language supports your message. 4. Ask better questions. The quality of your conversations depends on the quality of your questions. Instead of, "How was your day?" ask, "What was the best part of your day?" Better questions create better conversations, and better conversations create stronger relationships. 5. Control your emotions. Many conversations fail because emotions take the wheel. When people feel criticized, angry, or frustrated, they stop listening and start reacting. Strong communicators stay calm. They focus on solving the problem, not winning the argument. Example, instead of saying, "You never listen to me," say, "I feel unheard when this happens." One line creates defensiveness, the other creates understanding. 6. The power of pause. Many people think confidence means speaking quickly. It doesn't. Confident people are comfortable with silence. They pause, they think, then they speak. A short pause makes you sound more thoughtful, more controlled, and more confident. Never rush your words. Let your message breathe. 7. Make people feel important. One of the most powerful communication skills is making others feel valued. Remember names, acknowledge opinions, show genuine interest. People may forget what you said, but they rarely forget how you made them feel. The best communicators aren't the people who talk the most. They're the people who make others feel heard. At the end of the day, if you want to master communication, remember these principles. Listen, speak clearly, use strong body language, ask better questions, control your emotions, pause before speaking. Make people feel important, because communication isn't about saying more, it's about creating understanding. And the people who master communication often gain a real advantage in every area of life. Now tell me in the comments, which communication skill are you lacking the most? If you want more videos like this in the future, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon.